Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable text messages notification vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on your home screen open up the text messages app, and here I'm going to go back to the messages list screen, and from here tap on the option key. With the pop-up, tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Notifications, and then go down and tap on Notification Categories. Next, in here, you want to tap on Incoming Messages, and then go down and tap on Vibrate. Tap on the Vibrate toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. If you turn it off, when you receive a notification, your phone will not vibrate. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.